We've all had those times when a special event suddenly comes up, and we have no choice but to rally around to look our best. It could be a college get-together, a surprise vacation, or even a sudden marriage proposal, whichever the case may be, and you'll need to do all you can to look gorgeous in a short while. But how can you take care of your skin and get in shape in the quickest possible time? Out of ideas? Don't worry, I got your back. You're definitely going to look stunning this time, just be sure to keep up with these 4 secrets. Shed those extra pounds in 2 weeks. It's extremely possible to lose a few pounds in as little as 2 weeks. You only need to cut down your calorie intake 1,000 to 1,100 kilocalories per day. What do you have to eat? Well, just fill your diet with fruits, vegetable, meat, whole grains and low-fat fish. Your body will begin to burn stored fats as a result of limited energy intake. Also, be sure to drink up to 2 liters of water a day, this is crucial. Tighten the waist and make skin flawless in 7 days. You can also lose weight and look great in 1 week as long as you eat certain types of food. For the most part, you need to focus on citrus fruits, pineapple, and protein. Citrus fruits are chock full of fruit acids that help flush out fat from the body. Since citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C, you'll get to improve your skin condition and boost your immunity. It's more like a win-win for you. It also turns out that pineapple is great for slimming down since it contains bromelain, a compound that burns fat fast. Finally, proteins supply the body with all the energy you'll ever need. Be sure to avoid carbohydrates and fats throughout these 7 days. Lose belly fat in 3 days. There are 2 main options to try if you're looking to get rid of belly fat fast. You can drink up to 200 milliliters of carrot and apple juice 6 times per day. The good thing about these products is that they are loaded with vitamins, pectin and beta-carotene. Moreover, they contain minimal amount of calories. For the second option, you need to eat something different for breakfast and lunch. Just prepare a mixture of 1 boiled egg, 1 grated carrot and a tablespoon of sour cream. As for dinner, be sure to stick to green tea and don't add sugar. Total body cleanse in 2 days. So the big day is fast approaching, and you feel like you need to cleanse your body. Not to worry, you can still work things out with pineapple. Be sure to have pineapple for breakfast and feel free to supplement with citrus juice if need be. At daytime, focus on drinking a glass of hot water mixed with mint and lemon. Eat carrots, beets, and cabbage for lunch. You may also choose to add a few large prunes to the mix. Finally, be sure to drink a glass of water with lemon before shutting those eyes at night. Always have it at the back of your mind that these tips are just quick emergency hacks to save the day. Weight loss is a gradual process, and prolonged low-calorie intake may be harmful to your health. The bottom line, only use these hacks for the period of time mentioned. This is crucial. Have fun.